Hello everyone, welcome to Grafted Technology. In this video, I'll show you how to fix sound problem when you connect external monitor. So what happened is I had just updated my computer to Windows 10 version 21.2. So I connected an external monitor and I noticed the sound isn't coming out. So if you have the same problem, this is another way you can do it. So head over to the start button, click the settings. So you get to the Windows settings where you have systems. Okay, click on the system. So here you will see sound, click on the sound. And this is where you should be looking at output. So choose your output device. So here you can see it chose the other external monitor I had installed. So click the more arrow and choose speakers. Okay. So once I have chosen this, let's get to play sound and see if this works.
Thy will on earth as it is in heaven. Give us.
So this brings us to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Support the channel, guys. Hit the sub button, like, share. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.